All over the world, sugar is an essential ingredient in our food and beverages. Since sugar is present everywhere, you've probably never asked where it comes from. Chances are some of that sweet stuff on your table or in that coffee cup came from here, the cane fields of tropical Thailand, and it's refined nearby at the huge processing facility of Midpon, the country's largest exporter of sugar and the world's 5th biggest producer. In order to become a high-performance sugar producer, we had to introduce new technologies into the production process. One of them is a roadmap for the automation and digital platform. This technology upgrade was planned to give us a boost into internationalization. Transforming countless tons of cane into top-quality sugar crystals of uniform purity, clarity and sweetness is no easy task, but a steep challenge. The harvest season is the hottest time of the year, when hundreds of trucks wait in line to deliver their huge loads.
First, the sugarcane is delivered to the mill. Then we extract the juice from the cane. The sugarcane juice gets purified in a precipitation process. Then we concentrate the purified juice into a thick syrup and transfer it to the crystallization process.
The sap is extracted and then boiled, filtered, and finally crystallized into the pure white sugar that we all know and like so much. But every step from boiling to cooling to make these uniform crystals requires precision control over temperatures, process steam and electricity. The heart of every sugar mill is the vacuum pan where the sugar juice is crystallized. NAMAT is the automation system that controls the vacuum pan system settings. We use it to adjust the settings for the production of the next batch of high-quality sugar.
NAMAT is a design program that helps us to improve the quality of our sugar production. These sugar crystals have a consistent size and shininess. The program enables us to produce sugar of highest quality, meeting the expectations of our customers.
Other than the sweet juice, what happens to the rest of the cane? At Midpon, there is no solid waste because the leftover material, known as bagasse, is a valuable resource for green energy. Here at the Midpon sugar refining operation in central Thailand, the once enormous cost of energy has been radically reduced by clever engineering and smart electronic systems. A closed cycle of energy use and resource management was designed by converting the biomass into a source of power generation. Biomass has become a reliable part of Thailand's energy mix. Under contract, Midpon feeds electricity into the national grid, operated by the Power Authority of Thailand. We have a fixed contract with EGAT, the Electricity Generating Authority of Thailand, and we constantly supply electrical power to all of the Midpon facilities in the area. Therefore, we need reliability and high performance in electricity generation. Even under these challenges and the race against time, there is always room for improvement in the production process. Siemens has cooperated closely with Midpon to identify solutions and install the right technologies and software. We talk to Midpon to see what type of machinery they need, how many megawatts of power output, how much steam, heat and pressure. All this information helps us to choose the best products for highest performance. During the 4-month harvest season, the processing plant's machinery has to operate 24 hours a day. Any mechanical failure would be financial disaster. In a sugar mill, timing is critical. The machine operates 24/7 during the sugarcane harvesting season. To avoid machinery breakdowns, we have backup systems or redundancy systems. If the first controller fails, then the second controller automatically picks up the operation. Another Siemens product used here at Midpon is RDS, Remote Diagnostic Service. The system monitors the machinery and sends status information to Siemens headquarters in Germany. If anything goes wrong, we alert the factory in advance in order to avoid unpredictable machinery breakdowns. There is no room for error. With Siemens technology supporting the whole process from energy saving to power production, none of the valuable natural resources gets wasted. We use the Siemens Simatic PCS7 system for the integrated automation of our operating systems. All data can be accessed quickly and precisely from the control room. For more than 2 centuries, Siemens has vastly improved the efficiency of steam power. A main quality of Siemens steam turbines is the proven record as high-performance turbines resulting from a long history of development. They are highly reliable and very easy to maintain. We help Midpon to reduce their cost in the production of electrical power. In our experience with Siemens steam turbines and generators, their stability and performance matches the target values. As a benefit, we now produce more electrical power with the same amount of fuel. Siemens has the answer to the most difficult problems, from energy saving to power production. None of the valuable natural resources gets wasted. What we receive from Siemens are reliable production and economically efficient energy usage. We start with sugarcane, and at the end of the process it goes back to sugarcane. So we have truly completed a natural cycle.